United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 150. Policies relating to activities in the area. Activities in the area shall, as specifically provided for in this part, be carried out in such a manner as to foster healthy development of the world economy and balanced growth of international trade, and to promote international cooperation for the overall development of all countries, especially developing states, and with a view to ensuring a. The development of the resources of the area. b. Orderly, safe and rational management of the resources of the area, including the efficient conduct of activities in the area, and in accordance with sound principles of conservation, the avoidance of unnecessary waste. c. The expansion of opportunities for participation in such activities consistent in particular with Articles 144 and 148. d. Participation in revenues by the authority and the transfer of technology to the enterprise and developing states as provided for in this convention. e. Increased availability of the minerals derived from the area as needed in conjunction with minerals derived from other sources, to ensure supplies to consumers of such minerals. f. The promotion of just and stable prices remunerative to producers and fair to consumers for minerals derived both from the area and from other sources, and the promotion of long-term equilibrium between supply and demand. g. The enhancement of opportunities for all states parties, irrespective of their social and economic systems or geographical location, to participate in the development of the resources of the area and the prevention of monopolization of activities in the area. h. The protection of developing countries from adverse effects on their economies or on their export earnings resulting from a reduction in the price of an affected mineral or in the volume of exports of that mineral, to the extent that such reduction is caused by activities in the area, as provided in Article 151. I. The development of the common heritage for the benefit of mankind as a whole, and j. Conditions of access to markets for the imports of minerals produced from the resources of the area, and for imports of commodities produced from such minerals shall not be more favorable than the most favorable applied to imports from other sources.